Hi, let's continue quick fashion figure sketches. Now we'll be drawing back view of a standing female figure. This time we'll be using more simple framework without sidelines. Again, we divide place for height of our figure in 3 equal parts with horizontal lines. With vertical line in upper part we mark the middle of the figure. Then in the middle of upper third we draw horizontal line of shoulder level. Upper half we divide with another horizontal line to mark place for skull part and neck part. Now we draw a circle of the skull brain case. We mark width of shoulders equal to the distance from shoulder level to the top. It is the same as 2 diameters of the skull circle. Then from sides of shoulder line we draw a reversed arc of chest cage to the bottom side of upper third. Middle third we divide with horizontal line in 2 halves and put circle into upper part. And now, with long smooth curves from left and right side of the circle, we draw outer contour of the legs to the bottom line. They are slightly bended inside on the knee level, in upper part of lower third. From bottom side of the circle we draw inner contours of the legs with long smooth curves. They go around outer knee bends and in upper bends directed outside they are forming under the knees. We draw outer contour of the arms with long smooth curves, slightly bended outside and upper part of middle third, from the shoulder level to the bottom level of circle. From armpits we draw inner contours of the arms with long smooth curves. On the elbow level the arms are little thicker. Let's draw the neck. From back side the neck is longer and it begins from the brain case. We draw it half of the head in width and with 2 curves we join sides of the neck with shoulder line. The lower jaw we see only by little parts from left and right sides of the neck. With curves slightly bended inside, we draw belly part of the body. Now, below bottom line, we draw feet. First, we draw back part of the heels. Then we add side parts of the feet from left and right sides of the heels. Outside parts go farther than inside parts. Hands we start to draw, this time from palm and little finger. We draw outer line of hand, bending it in joints, then inner line. Both lines are beginning from side of the wrist. And finally we add thumb from inner part of the palm. Let's add some details. Shoulder blades, elbow and knees, hair and buttocks. Please note, lines of buttocks go lower than pubic fusion. So now our sketch with back view of female figure is ready. See you soon. Bye bye.